there, Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. Today we're going to make some honey ginger lemonade. It's that time of year, summer's coming, it's hot, and nothing's better than a good old-fashioned glass of lemonade. So go ahead and get started, pretty simple. Got some lemons, a little sugar, some water. Of course, you know, I got to mix it up a little bit. I'm going to throw a little ginger in there, and I like to do a little honey. So I do about 50-50 on the honey and sugar. Let's just get started. I find to make about a gallon, you're going to need about 2 cups of sugar. You can do, so like I said, I do about half and half. So I'm doing about a cup of sugar and a cup of honey. And we're just going to make a simple syrup out of this. So we're going to do, you know, the 2 cups here, the sweetener stuff. And then about 2 cups of water. Again, it doesn't have to be crazy exact, but that's about where we're at. And with that, then we're going to take a little bit of ginger, and we're going to add that to our syrup. Now you can peel that with a peeler. I find about the easiest way to peel the ginger is just with a spoon. And the peel comes right off, look at that. And we're just going to throw a couple slices in there and infuse that syrup with the ginger flavor. And since we're making lemonade, we might as well, and we're going to juice the lemons anyway, we might as well take advantage of some of the peel on that as well. So there we go. Look at that. And then, like I said, we're just going to do a couple little slices of that. I don't know how much you're feeling. Good. Nice little amount, 4 or 5 slices, you know, nice fingerful. And then, like I said, we're going to go ahead and take some of those peels. We're going to juice the lemons anyway. So I like to throw a couple peels in there. And you can just, you know, you're getting it. You're just doing the peel, none of the white pit. So we'll do a little bit of that. And then I find about equal amounts of the simple syrup and the lemon juice as well. So we've got about 2 cups each to make that gallon. Okay, we're just going to get this on the stove and going. And all you're really going to want to do with that is bring it up to a boil. You stir it so you don't get any lumps, and then it'll cool down. You just want to dissolve all the sugars and the honey together, and that'll also infuse the lemon and the ginger in there too. Let that cool down. I've got some that I've already cooled down that I made a little earlier, and then just juice some lemons. Whatever way you like to juice your lemons, go ahead and do it. You want to give them a little rub on there first. You've got a lemon juicer, you've got a citrus juicer, an electric one. You got one of these old garage sale ones. These work great. You want to go old school with it. Whatever works for you. Anyway, I find this one works great. And I find you get about 5 nice sized lemons. You need about 5 for a cup of juice. So here we're going to use about 10. Now I've got some that I've already started here as well. I like none of the seeds, but you still want to get the pulp and stuff in there. And if you get a seed in there, you can always pick it out, but like I said, so we're going to go ahead and get started there. So we've got our juice, and if we need more, we can always juice a little bit more. And now I've just got a little container here. So I'm going to add about 2 cups of that fresh lemon juice, and we're going to do about the same of the simple syrup there, our honey ginger syrup. And I'm going to make sure those peels don't get in there. I always add a little bit, for me, I add a little bit more lemon juice than syrup, but that's just me. And then we're going to take about 3 quarts of water to that. And again, nothing really exact. You can always add a little bit more of either one, or either the water or the syrup. Give that a little stir. And now this is the best part, is you get to try it, because see where you're at with it. Sometimes the lemons are more tart, sometimes your syrup is a little stronger, or the water. So just try it, see where you like it. You want more, a little sweeter, a little tartar? That one, I think, is just about where I like it. So we're gonna leave that there. That's just about right. Now, you take this, pour that over a glass of ice, you're golden. Throw that in the fridge and you're ready to go. But what if you didn't want to just have plain lemonade? Of course, it's not really just plain lemonade, it's honey ginger lemonade. You said, hey, I've got some watermelon hanging around. Couldn't I do something with that? And we're like, sure. Take a little bit of that watermelon. Throw a little bit of that in there. Take your little handy dandy blender. And add some lemonade to that. Look at that. What's some honey ginger watermelon lemonade? Rather do it with some raspberries? Do you have to use the blender? No, just mash them up. This is your lemonade, any way you like it, Just do a little mash. Nice and simple. That a little shake. You want to put that in a jar? Put that in a jar. How about that? A little raspberry lemonade. What if you just wanted to take some and you said, hey, I've got some mangoes off my neighbor's tree. Thanks, Kim. And we take some sliced mangoes. And we add some mangoes into our lemonade. Of course, we might have to dip into this one. We got some mango ginger lemonade. Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Stay safe, be kind, and let's look out for each other. Thank you. Enjoy.